It was a bright Sunday morning. The park was peaceful, kids playing, people jogging, the old man chatting. Aarav and Rogan sat on a wooden bench, enjoying the breeze. Aarav took a deep breath and said softly, "Finally a day without noise." Rogan smiled. "Yeah, just a calm and coffee." The sunlight touched the leaf, the world looked simple, until a small moment changed everything. Aarav stood up to toss a ball back to a group of kids. When he sat again, something felt different. He reached into his pocket. "It is empty." Checked the bench, nothing. A sudden chill ran through him. His wallet was gone. In a few seconds, a calmness turned into chaos inside his mind. Our heartbeat grew louder than a laughter around him. He checked under the bench, inside his bag, everywhere. People walked by, unaware of his tiny storm. That's how the panic began. Silently, slowly, then suddenly it controls everything. He muttered, "How could I be so careless?" We have all said those words when something small slips out of our hands and our minds fill it with fear. Aarav started walking back the path he came from. The cave, the corner, the fountain, nothing. Then he remembered something simple. Calmness is the first step to clarity. He paused, he closed his eyes, took on the deep breath. Sometimes that's all it takes to see what you missed. From a nearby bench, a old man spoke gently, "Looking for something, son?" Arnav nodded. "My wallet, sir. I think I dropped it." The man smiled. "When you stood up earlier, something slipped under your bench. Maybe that's it." Arnav ran back, and there it was, his wallet resting quietly under the same bench where panic had started. Half in relief, half in disbelief. It was right there all along. In the moment, Aarav realized the problem was not the wallet, it was the way he reacted. How often do we do this? Lost something small and instantly lost our peace too. We assume, we fear, he laughed before we even think. Aarav sat back down, this time more quietly. He looked at the sunlight on the trees, the same light he had ignored few minutes ago. He thought, every time I panic, I move away from the solution. That's life, isn't it? We keep maybe peace like the wallet, never really leave us. We just stop noticing where it is full. The old one words echo in his mind. Before you panic, you just look again. That day, Aarav found his wallet and a reminder for all of us. Calm down before reacting. Retrace your trips. Retrace your steps before blaming others. And always protect your peace before your possessions. Because peace is priceless and awareness. That's what keeps us grounded. If you ever face a moment like this, take a breath, think, and find your calmness again. Stay calm, stay aware, uplift yourself. Follow Uplift Yourself English for more life changing stories.